expect? Yesterday with our presidential candidate that our sister mother will also join us today. If she comes, actually, she was chair. Yeah, so she will chair or we jointly chair, it doesn't matter.
Well, members will be dealing more with the Prime Minister.
And of course, it is
Julisha.
20 parties under Azimio-OKA. Do we expect also protocol and policy issues?
Protocol, I hate protocol. We just want to celebrate each other. Look, there's a governor here. He was originally Wiper. He has one on ODM. He's my brother, Governor Garissa. Governor Busia is here. I mean, Governor Kajoado is here. I mean, it's amazing. Yeah. And there are people who are pretending there are very many governors. Amazing.
Can you call this a PG of its kind?
No, kujuana bana. Hawezi kuwa PG na magavana nini. Unachanganya sheria zetu bana.
PG is after swearing it.
Well, that was Kalonzo. Icio nĩ mbica kana nĩ mĩario ya imwe kwa imwe kuma kũrĩa mwena wa KICC kuria kwĩna kĩgomano kĩa arĩa marahotanire iturwa ngũrani kũgerera tigiti wa Azimio la Umoja na nĩ wakĩgwa nginya Martha Karua nĩ aratanywo kũringana na Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa principals kiama kiu gĩa kana ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja. Icio nĩ mbica cia imwe kwa imwe magĩkinya kũu nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya KICC na nĩ arĩa marahotanire iturwa ngũrani kũgerera tigiti ũcio wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Mbica ici ciĩ harĩa